Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I created a very dewy, warm, sun-kissed look. The inspiration came from Scott Barnes. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, let's jump right into it. To prep my skin, I'm going in with a product line called Emberlies. It will moisturize and prime. I love this product because it's super hydrating on my dry skin. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair. Using my MAC 132, I'm creating a tapping and pulling motion to blend out my concealer. The goal here, guys, is to keep the product mainly in the center of my face. As you can see, I'm not going any further than my cheekbones. Just focusing only on blending out from the center of my forehead and only a small area of my chin. So I'm going in with my L'Oreal Cream Foundation in the shade Honey. Using my Morphe M458, I'm contouring under my cheekbones, forehead, and neck area. Going in with my MAC 130, I'm going to slightly blend out these harsh lines. Now time for my favorite part, foundation. I'm going in with my MAC 187 brush and the shade Warm Beige. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. Taking my brush, I'm creating that same tapping and pulling motion to blend out the product. Taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fairest, I'm just giving my under eye a bit more of a pop. Just going to set that under eye with Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Butter. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline pressed powder in the shade Coconut to bronze my face. Using the Real Techniques powder brush, I'm just pouncing that product over my contoured areas. Using a powdered blush by Milani in the shade Romantic Rose, I'm applying it over my cheeks with my Morphe E3 brush in a sweeping-like motion. To highlight, I'm using the Stellar Lights highlighting palette by Milani. Oh my god guys, I freaking love this palette. I'm taking a mix of all three shades with my M501 brush, and I'm highlighting all the areas that a girl gots to glow. Taking my Milani Amour matte lip cream in the shade Adorable because we cute. I'm going over top of that with a lip gloss by Quo. But if you think we're gonna stop there, guys, think again. I'm gonna go in and add more of a pop to the center of my lips by using the shade Pearl in the highlighting palette. Finishing up with the MAC Fix Plus to seal the deal, and voila! I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please subscribe. All the products will be listed below. Bye guys!